Welcome to the exciting world of Forex trading, where global currencies collide and opportunities abound. Whether you are looking to supplement your income, or become a full-time trader, or simply to understand how the largest financial market in the world operates, you are in the right place. Over the next few minutes, I will give you a sneak peek into what you can expect in our Forex trading course. So this preview is designed to set the stage for your in-depth learning. Number one, what is a Forex market? What is it made out of? Who are the major players? And how and when it operates on. Number two, understanding the essential terms for Forex market trading. What are those? You need to understand pips, lots, leverages, and much more. Number three, market analysis and candlestick action. Effective trading starts from effective market analysis. And in this section, we will introduce you to two types of analysis. They are fundamental analysis and technical analysis. We will also be looking at why MT4 is one of the most trusted platforms in the world. You will see that over 80% of brokerages use MT4. We will let you understand why it is so simple to use, yet powerful and effective for your trading. Lastly, we will cover the power of technology, because technology has revolutionized trading. So we know that EAs and fully automated indicators will be able to eliminate any emotional biasness, also help you to monitor your market 24/5, and all this to help you accurately predict the next movement. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Join us for this transformative learning journey. You will be able to experience for yourself how it is different and what path lies ahead for you. So unlock your future now, unlock your potential, and sign up now. I hope to see you soon.